Hello and welcome to my channel and to my home. Christmas is fast approaching, and although my decorate with me fell through, I thought at least I can give you a apartment tour, Christmas edition. So let me take you around my apartment, my cozy apartment, and show you how I decorated for Christmas this year. I haven't got this area decorated very much, but on the front door, I have this lit up wreath from Canadian Tire with a giant bell and this super cute teddy bear fabric beige bow. I love the look of this together. And again, this needs help. But I also, in the kind of quote unquote entryway, have decorated this little shelf. We also have this mirror here, but I haven't done much with it. This super cute bell I got from HomeSense, and then some wreath things that have fallen and just put it in that little pot there. So I thought to spruce that up a little bit. Here is a little overview of the living room and the dining room. Let's start with the tree. So this year I've continued with the bow theme. I've gone with burgundies, browns, whites, and woods still. And a new addition this year are these little clip-on candle lights. I have continuously forgotten to turn them on. Let me go get the remote. Okay, so I've gotten the remote. I don't know if I would recommend these. They each individually take batteries and they're separate from your regular Christmas lights. So it's something that I often forgot to turn on, but I do feel like it adds like a nice old world touch to the tree if you could remember to turn them on and then also to upkeep the batteries. Some new ornaments this year. I got these super cute rocking horses from Walmart. This is our O ornament this year. These burgundy and gold are new this year. These little acorns are new this year. These brown bows are new this year. And I'm thinking that's it. And the bow tree topper is new this year, and I'm obsessed. I'm really happy with how the tree turned out. We also got this tree new last year from Canadian Tire. Oh, and how could I have forgotten? I went to New York at Christmas time and got this super cute bow that says New York with the Empire State Building. And turning back around, this is the TV stand this year. Our usual garland. I DIY'd these ribbon trees from a reel on Instagram. This one as well. I got this super cute gingerbread candle from Michael's. Our knit stockings with this bow and bell detailing here. Usually for Christmas, I have to move the bar cart over here. It's quite squishy, but it works for the short amount of time. This year, I styled it with the gold nutcracker, this vase, which I've put this bow on, and some faux pine, and this little plaid candle. Then a super new addition, I just got this light the other day. It's a book stand lamp. I originally saw Target had this, but I couldn't get to Target. So now Winners has them. So I'm absolutely obsessed. I quickly added this little bow just to tie all the bow detailing together in the apartment. And then also a couple years ago got this brown tree from Target. This is the little pillow that I got from that Spring Ridge farm, which I'm obsessed with. And this is how we styled the coffee table. So I've got my burgundy poinsettias here, a cute little candle, which again added a bow. Hi, Bowie. These little bow coasters. And then I added these bells into this bowl. And that is the look for the coffee table. In the dining room, on the fireplace mantle, I have my little Christmas village And last night I just added this little ribbon detailing. I saw on YouTube that somebody put Christmas cards, they hung it across their kitchen window, and I thought this was so cute because my pile of Christmas cards was getting a bit much. So I thought that was so cute. And then my favorite purchase this year are these velvet burgundy nutcrackers. I got them from Target on my way home from New York and they're amazing. They were only $25 each for this size. I thought that was crazy good. And when they're a bit squished here, but when I have a house, they are going to be so perfect at Christmas time. And for now, they can just be squishy here. On the dinner table, I just put out this tray that's usually on the bar with some bells that I got, I think, off Amazon last year, and then added some bow detailing. These I just got from Walmart. They're ornaments, so I'm going to switch out the blue for burgundy and put those on the tree, hopefully. If not this year, then definitely that will be a project to make sure I finish for next year. And on these shelves, I just hung these stockings from Hobby Lobby. They're like a velvet with a bow. From storing them, they got a little messed up. So I don't know. I should probably try to fix that. These paper trees from CB2 or Crate and Barrel, I can't remember. And then I got these Nutcracker stocking holders last year from Canada's Wonderland, actually. And I just love them so much. And then lastly, in the dining room, we hung this big giant burgundy bow in the doorway. And I had it on here before, but it was a lot going on, especially now with the nutcrackers. So I thought I would try it in the doorway, and I thought it's so cute. Next year, I might put it on the tree. It's just, I really wanted to do ornaments again this year, and I thought it would be too cluttery with the big bow and then all these ornaments underneath. To the kitchen, just a couple special touches. I've got this mini wreath. Let me turn on the light. I got this mini wreath and bow above this cutting board. And then just a little set of gingerbread measuring spoons. On here we have this wooden tree candle and then these fresh bow Walmart tea towels. We have been using them, so that's why it's a bit crinkly, but they're so cute. And I thought these were special because I feel like you could use these all year round as well. So put those there. These are just some new cheese knives that I got that I haven't put away yet, so ignore. And then on this side, I have this cookie jar Christmas tree, which I love. And then again, put a bow and a bell on these cutting boards, which is so cute. Up here, just very minimal. These are actually napkin rings, but I just put them there, and then a salt and pepper shaker. And then over here, I just have my favorite gingerbread cutting board. So cute. Then our coffee area, or like our kitchenette, is quite cluttered, but I am obsessed with the hutch and how I've styled it. Put these mini wreaths up. I got these last year. And then this year I got this super cute cookie jar from Walmart. And I just think this little area is so darling. And then a new addition this year, very recently, I put up these two shelves. So just to style it for Christmas, I've got this little gingerbread plate, some mugs, a little tree, my Christmas countdown, little Santa espresso mugs, another little set of gingerbread plates, and then these are some thrifted items. So I got this milk for Santa cup thrifted from Value Village, and then this dish. I don't know if it's like just a bowl or a cookware item of a Christmas tree. So I just stacked that there for now. And then lastly in the kitchenette is this area. I'm absolutely obsessed. Again, layering some cutting boards with a bow and a bell. We only had a little bit of coffee beans, but I just had this tree, this glass tree jar, so stuck that in there. And then I have my Ralph's mugs, which I just got when I was in New York a couple weeks ago. and they're so cute. So that's the kitchenette. And then I'll show you the hallway and a little bit of the bedroom. Okay, so this is the hallway. My favorite thing that I've been doing for years now are putting these little garlands and bows here. Let me turn on the light. I think it just adds a little something. The first year I did it, I did burgundy bows, but this year and last year I did black bows just to tie in the frames. And then this year, I just got this from Target. I got this from Value Village and just stained it a darker color. And then I have these two faux trees from HomeSense and another light up wreath with a bow. And I'm just showing you a couple things in the bedroom because I didn't really clean it. But this year I got this burgundy bow from Michael's and I didn't really have anywhere to put it, but I had to get it. So I just put it here with underneath this wreath. And I mean, it looks a little bit dumb, like not kind of connecting with anything. And maybe if we had a headboard, that would be super cute. But listen, I just wanted to put it up. So that's super cute. And then also have these little pillows. I don't know what happened here, but it came out of storage like that. And to be honest, I'm not really that obsessed with them, but just from the dollar store. So giving it a try. One of my favorite little sections is these marble trees with I just got this candle warmer and I feel like all of the colors here just work so well together and are so cute. So I love this, and this is just on my vanity. And lastly, I just have these little burgundy velvet deers that I got a couple years ago from the dollar store on the dresser, and then this little garland with some bells hanging on the mirror, and that's everything.